What's up?
You want to go to the bank with me?
What for?
I just heard about this great deal. If I actually, I get free savings, free checking, and guess what? If I sign up today, I also get 2 free meatballs. You can even have one.
Wait, you're still using a bank with all those restrictions and fees?
Restrictions? What restrictions? I just printed this email out. I don't even know
Let
what
me
you're
see
talking
that.
Fine.
Oh yeah, it's free checking and savings. Yeah, you'll get those accounts and your 2 meatballs. All you have to do is make 12 purchases with your debit card each month, write 10 checks, no online bill pay for you, or set up 2 direct deposits into the accounts. Oh, and you'll get that free savings account as long as you make 2 withdrawals of at least $500 from the checking account into the savings account because you're such a good saver. And don't worry, not a big deal. If you miss it, you'll just, pay a small fee and not earn interest.
Fees? But who doesn't pay fees?
Haven't you heard of credit unions?
Credit unions?
Yeah, credit unions. Credit unions don't have the restrictions and inconveniences corporate banks do because they don't have shareholders. They have members, and you become one the minute you make your first deposit. And members elect a volunteer board of directors to represent their interests.
Yeah, but how does that make them better than a bank?
Because banks are profit-driven and return profits in the form of dividends, while credit unions are member service-driven and return profits in the form of lower loan rates, higher savings rates, and free or low-cost services that benefit you directly.
Yeah, but I don't need a loan, and even if I did, I don't really have exactly the great credit. I mean, you remember that whole meatball debacle of 2012.
That's another great thing about credit unions. At a credit union, you're Marty. And credit unions have less stringent loan eligibility requirements and may be willing to work with you when you have a low credit score. They can also make exceptions for unique circumstances, such as being self-employed or having a bankruptcy on your record for meatball incidents, as opposed to being 745868 at a corporate bank and being denied for a loan because you don't meet their standards.
Yeah, but I don't even know if they're FDIC insured, and what happens if there's a problem? I mean, who's going to bail them out?
They're insured by the National Credit Union Administration or a private insurer, so your money's just as safe. The difference is they didn't need a bailout like the big banks and won't because they don't and won't gamble with your money.
But do they even offer free meatballs with every account? You know I'm Italian. I love my meatballs and pasta.
No, they don't give free meatballs or any other gimmicks, just great service, competitive loan and interest rates, and people who want to help you when most people won't. So what do you say, the bank and fees or the credit union and meatball money?
Well, you know me. Credit union and meatballs. Let's go.